Hi, this is Karen with the Kind Garden Stuff. It's been a while since I last videoed, but things have been going crazy here. But I wanted to show you today my little garden. And right now I just have a bunch of chard and green onions. I have no idea what that is. This is kind of like my random garden. It's whatever goes. But these are green onions. Look how big the stalks are. This is after a year's growth. And yes, they are green onions. But today I wanted to feed my worms. I wanted to share with you composting with worms using the trench method. If you have a garden, a raised garden, like I do, then you can do this too, and it's so easy. I do have a mix of composting worms in here, red wigglers, swamp worms, European night crawlers, and African night crawlers. But today I want to show you what I do for trench vermicomposting. I just go along the edge of my garden, about the width of my spade here, and I'm just going to do it because there's really nothing much that I need to say. What I do, I wanted to show you the worst part. This is about my third go round around this garden bed. Okay, so I just go the width of the brick, and let me get a bucket here so I can, there's my little bucket to put all the things in. Now there are some worms in here, not a ton. Like I said, it's my third go round, and I feed them 3 times a week in a different spot every time. Just go the width of the brick. It's so soft here. And today I'm just not feeding food. I'm feeding food in a worm carton. Uh-oh, I hate these grubby things. Yep. Let me see if I can find any more, and I'll feed them to the birds. Ooh, I think I saw one in here. Yep. Right there. I think the worms or the birds are getting excited. They always... Oh, there's another one down here. Whoops, you can't see. I can't see either. Let's see if I can bring it up with the shovel. Gonna fall. There's another one. Anyway, the plants will grow really close to where my trenches are, so that's why I kind of chose this as the worst example that you may have. There's another grub. 2 more grubs. I'm not sure what type of grub it is, but it's another grub. Okay, I don't have to go that deep. Oh, there's another grub. Okay. You see, what I'm feeding today is not much food, because I want to be able to fit in this egg carton. Oh, you know what? Let me move these grubs first. Make sure there's no more down. Oh, that one. No, that's not one. Never thought I'd be touching grubs with my hands, but they're quite inactive when they're first taken out, and then they start stretching out. I'm going to go around here and put it on top of the fence. Put these grubs. It's a 5-foot fence. I'm 4'11". I don't know if you caught that or not, because I can't even see it. Dog behind us. Anyway, there goes the birds. Telling each other, there's the grubs on the fence. Go get them. Wait till she leaves. Okay, let me make sure that this will fit in the spot that I've created. Which it does, it looks like. See, that's what I'm going to be doing. That's all I do for trench feeding my worms. Still frozen. Frozen. Ooh. I forgot eggshells, but oh well. I don't need to feed eggshells or sprinkle eggshells on it all the time. Just most of the time. Just to get rid of eggshells. I have so much. Alright. Okay, this is all I do. See if I can drop it in without harming my plants. Set it away. Alright, so that's how it is. And then I take my bucket and just dump it over the side here. It's hard to do with one hand. There's a few wormies in here. Little one. Okay, and that's it. Last time I fed right here, and usually I don't know if you could see it, but it's halfway up the brick, whereas this is how much it's fallen. Maybe 3 inches or so, a couple of inches. And then next time I will just feed it on the next length of the brick. So just goes all the way around. And that's all I have to do, 3 times a week. Or more or less, whatever whatever I feel like. It's been getting warm here, so this chard is starting to bolt. What do you think about worm composting in a garden trench? Have you done it before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Right. Hope everyone is staying safe and sane. And thank you for coming on this journey with me.